This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry mousse. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh strawberries, 2 cups of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of gelatin, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our delicious strawberry puree. Start by washing and hulling your fresh strawberries. Then, combine them in a blender with 1/4 cup of sugar and the lemon juice. Blend until completely smooth. For an extra silky mousse, press the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any seeds. This step ensures a wonderfully refined texture. Next, we'll prepare the cream and gelatin. In a separate bowl, whip 2 cups of very cold heavy cream with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar until soft peaks form. Be careful not to overwhip. For the gelatin, sprinkle 1 tablespoon over 1/4 cup of cold water and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. Then, gently warm it until it's completely dissolved, but not hot. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently fold the strawberry puree into your whipped cream until just combined. Then, slowly drizzle in the dissolved gelatin while continuing to fold. Pour the mixture into individual serving glasses or a large bowl. Refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow the mousse to set perfectly. Enjoy your delightful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.